Hi, welcome to this video. My name is Dave Adams. It's been a while since I made a tutorial video like this because I've been working on my HTML and CSS course. So I'm obviously excited to make another one. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add fonts to your website. Let's get right into it. This topic actually came up in a discussion with a friend, and I realized I hadn't made a video on it, so I just wanted to make one. The first method we're going to use today is the Google Fonts method. Now, you hit the first link, and it's going to bring you to this page where there are various fonts displayed to you. So you choose the one that you want, you click on it. There are various styles ranging from thin to bold fonts. So you choose what you want, what you need, and just hit the plus button on this side. So to add the styles, the various styles of the same font, you just hit the plus button on the side. If you want to take it out, you just press the same button and it gets deleted. Now, after you're done selecting all the styles that you need, the code will be generated for you. So it's two options. Either you use the link, which will go into your HTML file. I'm going to copy that and then go right into my HTML file. You can go within your head tag and you're good to go. Or the second option, which I prefer, which is copying using the import method. You copy and then place it in your CSS file. But you have to take out the style tags and then leave the imports bare. Now that you've imported the font, what you can do is, now I didn't check the name of the font. Sorry. After you've imported the font, you also import the font family. So let's say I want to apply that font family to every single element within the page. So the font family is called Roboto. Now it applies to every element within the page, every single element within the page. So I'm going to go with H1 and I'm going to say font video. I'm going to go live with live server. And we have our Roboto font as a heading. Now when we hover over it, you can see that you have a font size of 32 pixels, Roboto sans serif. Now the second method is creating your own font face. Now let's say you have a unique font that you want to use, like this one that I really like. All you have to do is acquire the font that you need, download it. I've already downloaded it the first time, but so I think there are various font sizes. I think there's a light one, a bold one, and I'm assuming this one will be a medium-sized one or a normal font. I'm just going to copy this to my desktop. And paste it. I have it right here. All I have to do is go to this Font Squirrel website and upload the font. I'm going to navigate to my desktop and then click it. Right. I disabled my cookies, so I'm going to sort that out. I'm going to navigate to my desktop and select the font again. And it's going to get uploaded. And you can see it right here. Now I want to use the optimal and then agree that the fonts are legally eligible for web embedding. So on the site, it says personal use is allowed. It's written right here. That's free for personal use. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Now, all I have to do is to download my kit. And it's going to process everything and it's going to get downloaded onto my desktop. I'm going to open the file. And it basically gives you everything you need. So it creates a sample document for you. And you can view the fonts. It's not looking like what it's supposed to look like because it's in a zipped file. So it creates a sample document for you. Now what I need is the fonts. I need Wolf and Wolf 2 and my style. Right. I'm going to select them again because I don't know what's happening. Or I'm just going to I'm going to copy this and then place it in my project folder for this. In fact, I can just place it here. No, I can't. So there's my folder. I'm just going to open it and paste what I downloaded. Now I'm going to open the same folder in Visual Studio Code, and you can see that the fonts are right here. I'm going to go into the style sheet that was given to me from Font Squirrel. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to place it within my own file. I'm going to comment this out. Oh no, I'm going to undo that and then use this right here. Well, I'm going to take this and place it underneath because CSS places priority on the style rules that come first. So yeah. Now it should apply to the text that we have in the browser. And as you can see, it has been applied. So we have our Aqua font styling applied to this. Now the caveat for using font faces is that it might affect performance. I mean, both of them. The performance cannot be compared to when the font is locally embedded on the PC. So, but you can get really unique fonts from these two methods. If you enjoyed this video, you're welcome to subscribe, like, share, and turn on post notifications to get an alert anytime I upload a video. Thank you.